Hello world. I'm back, and this time with something truly magical, life-changing even. So, sit back, grab some popcorn, and get your credit card ready. But before that, let me trauma dump just a little bit. So recently, I've been feeling like I am running out of time. Yes, I have a traditionally good job and I worked really hard to get it. But there's this subtle, constant, almost existential dread telling me I can and should be doing a lot more. And the only thing that calms that voice is the process of building and creating. So here we are. So to give myself more time to build and create, I've decided to build an alarm clock that shocks you with these dog collars to make sure you wake up. I won't show you the final version just yet, but creating this project was so difficult. I know you want to see me get shocked, but we put in so much time and effort into this project, so you're gonna see how we made it happen. So when this project came to mind, I had zero hardware experience, so I just bought what I thought I would need. Of course, the multiple dog collars, a radio transceiver so we can copy the signal from the dog collars remote, and of course a breadboard and Arduino.
What the heck?
That way we can remote trigger the signal after we've copied it. But little did I know that plan was cooked, because unfortunately it looks like the radio transceiver was not complex enough to read the signal from the remote. So that meant we had to buy a different transceiver, so I ended up getting this. And unfortunately that also really didn't work. So after days and days of troubleshooting, I came to the realization that I am not a network engineer, and that's okay. So I decided I would just solder cables directly onto the controller. So I got on Amazon, got a soldering machine and soldering wire, and a few days later, here is what we have. As you can see, we directly just connected to the buttons on the controller. That way, when we trigger it, we don't have to replicate the radio signal, we just rely on the controller's existing methods of communication. And thank God it works. You guys have no idea how long this took me. Here's my desk the day before I started the project, a few days later, and now. So I am thankful this eventually came together. Anyway, with all the parts together, it's time to test it.
So here's what our setup looks like. Right under, we have our power supply. We have our controllers, with amazing cable management. Then here we have the different dog collars. So ideally, at 6 a.m., it will trigger the remote, which is gonna trigger the dog collars.
So I strapped on my totally safe alarm clock. I turned on the controller, and I went to bed. And here's that. And as you can see, the product works exactly as advertised. I was able to wake up at 6 a.m. like I planned. So yeah, look forward to buying this at your local Walmart very soon.
Oh my God!
So yeah, thank you for watching. But before I let you guys go, I'm gonna leave you with two things. Number one, a reminder that everything around you was made by people no different than you and I. And number two, my favorite Alawi quote.
Life is too short for fear. Chase what is desired.
Thank you. And of course, like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Thank you.